Hi Gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my year of savings. I have $100 in prop money and different saving challenges that I use to save for different things for the whole year. So let's get started. First, we have our every Friday of 2025. Let's get this over. All right, so we have, oh my goodness, let me grab a marker. Ugh. So we have 28, and like I said, this goes towards, oh, what I'm doing, 28. This goes towards an extra payment towards debt. 25, 26, 27, 28. And let's see how much total. All right, so you have 20, 40, 60, 5, 7, 8, 9, 70. So we got $70. Let's make sure that's right. 7, 14, 21, 28. Yes, $70 will go towards the extra payment. So that is 70 for this month. I guess I put it, let's put that, let's put it here, 70. And let me see, last video I was guessing it, well, I was guessing in my debt video how much. Yeah, it was 70. So altogether for debt, I would put an extra $351 into the debt payment, which is lovely. All right, let's get on to our weekly savings. And this is created by Norella's Budgets. And I am rolling a D8 for my son's senior year. So $7 going in here. Oh no, this one is for December. I think I was skipping this one for now. Yeah, let's put a pause. Yeah, cause yeah. I think we'll come back. We'll see. All right, so we have say with Judy, each icon is $5, and we're doing the last little pie here. It is about to be December. That is some crazy. I think when you guys see this, it's the 30th. Yes, December is tomorrow. So happy December. What am I looking for? Okay. That is crazy. That means I'm about to be a year older. A year older, sister. So $5, and it's also go towards his senior year. The whole challenge is $300. Next, we have this saving challenge, which is found in my Etsy, which is on sale right now. You guys only have a couple more days to grab what you need. All right, so I am rolling a D20 to see how much we are saving for his senior year. And we got 19. Oh, we haven't did 19 yet. So let's go ahead and put 19. So that's 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And I use prop money because I just transfer the money straight into my high yield savings account. And with the high yield savings account, you earn interest. So I keep it in there because I don't want to keep it in regular checking or a savings account where it's not earning any interest. So I put it in there so it can earn interest. And once I need the money, I just transfer it back into my checking account, if that makes sense. So I learned that from the girlies here in the budget community. I'm telling you, we can teach each other. All right, so say 2025 and 2025. I am scratching 2, and just so I can know how much to budget for, because I'm almost to the end with this. So 25, 26, 27. And then, because this is going towards my taxes for next year. So I just wanted to be a little ahead of the game. And then I'm going to scratch 2 more. And this is created by the Almost Organized Aisle. And I'm going to scratch 2 more to see how much I'm putting into here next week. 5. I think we stop here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, we got 12. And then hopefully I'll be finished by the end of the year. I think I will. So 12 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, 16. So let's clean that up. So what is that? 28? Yes, 28. Not bad. So $28 will go in here. Oh no, I just marked on myself. Oh gosh. It's not a video I don't mark on myself, I promise. So $28 for next week. We are getting so close. All right. And how much we got left? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. We have $21. Do I want to put the whole $21 into the next challenge? Let's put that back. Get back in there, IOU. Or do I want to, let's see. Should I roll, let me see. Should I roll a D20 to see how much I'm putting in here since I got $20 left? Let's put that up there for now. I think I should, let's do that. 17. Did I say, let's see. Well, I got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. That leave me $4. Okay. So 17 is going into this one. And this is saving for our vacation. So 17. I need my markers. I never have everything together. So 17. Let's see. Let's do the 2 4s here. Let's do both pink. I think so. All right, let's do this next one. So that is $8. So minus 8, $9 more. Okay, I think we don't have any more 4s. So let's do some 3s. Let's do a 3 here. Fill the jar. This is just a nice, simple way. This saves $100. You see how these small numbers can add up? So minus 3. Let's do another 3. Let's do this 3. Yeah, down here. Perfect. And then let's do, so minus 3, another 3. So let's do a blue one over here. Let's do this one. And then if these numbers are too low for you and you want to spice it up, you can pick one of these gumballs and then roll a D6 and add those two numbers together, times the numbers together. Hey, have some fun with it. So that is the $17 going into here. That is cute. I like that. All right. The last, what we got left? $4, I think. 1, 2, 3, $4. Let's put that into this challenge here. Let's see. Let's go back to this one. And let's go ahead and just put a 4 here. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect, perfect. All right. And that is it. That is the $100 put into my year of saving. And I want to thank everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.